Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'll be sharing a layout I created combining my favorite pink inks from the Sweet Bouquet ink set as well as the Floral Drape Stencil. This is a stencil I forgot about and just put away in my stash, and when I was going through my stash I thought I'd use it again because it's the perfect stencil for creating backgrounds on your layouts. So I've got an 8.5 by 11 sheet of white smooth cardstock here, and I'm going to use my 3 colors from the Sweet Bouquet set and just add the colors to the stencil. And I'm doing this by using my blending brushes, and I'm using a larger one and a smaller one. The smaller one is for the more detailed elements where I'm going to add darker shades of that lovely pink. So now that I'm happy with that background, I want to add a couple of more details, and I'm going to be using these beautiful stickers from the Live Your Dream collection. And what's really fun about these stickers is that they are see-through in parts, so they just blend into the background really nicely. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to create some drawn elements. I'm going to doodle some leaves just to add a bit of contrast and bring everything together, and also fill up those little white spaces that were left after the blending. So once I finished my background, I created a gold strip of paper just using some printing paper and the antique gold pigment ink from Altenew, and I just dabbed the pad onto the paper. I'm going to put that to one side so that it can dry, because the pigment inks do need a little bit more time to dry. Now I'm going to go through my pattern paper stash and pick out pattern papers that will work well as a backdrop for my photo. As I'm using really bright colors like pinks and golds, I want my photo to pop off the page and not to get lost. So I'm just going to use a black and white photo. This will blend in nicely with all those bright colors. So now that I have finished popping on the layers to my layout, I'm going to cut out some embellishments from that gold strip of paper. To do this, I'm going to use the Mix and Match Mariposa butterfly sets and just cut out some gold butterflies, and from the remaining gold I cut out the word happy using one of the script word dies. I'll also add a couple of more pink butterflies just to finish everything off, and that is it. A little gold doily will add a bit more detail, and this is just from my stash. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me for this video, and I hope you feel inspired. Don't forget to visit the Altenew scrapbook blog for more information on all the products used here as well as the layout. And if you've got any comments or any questions, just pop them in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you very soon with more inspiration from Altenew. Bye bye.